speak to that mirror like it's 100% of the people. What does your neighbor on your left and your neighbor on your right really want to do in life that you can help them with? That's what being a true leader is. Not just leading the people who are donating to you. Lead us all. Don't just try to fill that one cup when you have all these buckets that you need to fill around you. I tell people in my book, 13 Step Guide to Success, you got to start cleaning up at home. We have the election next week, and everyone wants to vote next week because it's the presidential election. You need to vote in all the local elections. That's what leading is. Local elections is what matters. 1600 Pennsylvania, that's a circus, really. It's hard to really say what goes on there because we really don't know at our level. But we do know what goes on when we walk out our door. When I pay my taxes on my house, I pay the taxes on my car, I see my city, I know what's going on. So I know the leaders here are doing right for the whole community, the whole county. Then we can grow from there. Once you fix that and clean that, then we can worry about everything else. I'm not telling you not to vote next week. Definitely vote.
Oh, go vote.
I don't care who you vote for, but vote. Have it, use your voice, and don't come out on to Wednesday and cry if you didn't vote.